Hi folks, welcome to Frogfoot Holler. This is what you call fire ants, or ants from hell. So we're actually going to be destroying these ants today because they are in my garden. Now when we were tilling up the garden and everything, we tilled up some ant beds and they've rebuilt bad ants. So we're gonna take some boiling hot water and pour on them, because that's the most organic way you can kill ants. You can see they're crawling all over the place. They are not happy. All right, so y'all watch this. Water and stuff captured. Ready? All right, so they really aren't going to like that any. Problem is trying to make sure you get the queen. That's actually harder than you think it is. All right, so we got another ant bed to go destroy. And if it don't work the first time, just pour more hot water on them. All right, folks, this is ant bed number 2. It's right here. And we're about to piss them off and try to kill them at the same time. So I like to poke something down the middle of them to get the water down in there good. Oh yeah, they not happy. And of course, it's all running out. All right, we're gonna go over here to ant bed number 3 and pour what's left out. And folks, ant bed number 3. It's still cold out, so they're a little bit further down in the ground today. But it will still work. Wow, that's a deep ant bed. It sucked in all that water. Yeah, that's a deep one. Well, it is what it is. And hopefully this boiling water will get rid of that queen, or at least make them move out of the gardens. So, if not, we'll come back and pour it again. All right, this has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler. Y'all have a great day.